Ready to unlock a seamless way to manage your purchases with Afterpay directly through Cash App? Let's dive in. First things first, open your Cash App and locate the card tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll manage your Cash App card and any linked services. Now, look for an option to link Afterpay within your Cash App card settings. If you don't see it immediately, ensure your Cash App is updated to the latest version, as this feature might be rolling out. Tap on that link option, and you'll be prompted to log into your existing Afterpay account. Enter your Afterpay email address and password to securely connect the two services. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Afterpay account is now linked to your Cash App. This grants you the ability to manage your Afterpay installments directly within Cash App. Now, when you make a purchase eligible for Afterpay, you'll have the option to use your Cash App balance to cover your installments. This means you can manage your buy now, pay later payments using the funds you already have in Cash App, offering incredible financial flexibility. Keep an eye on your Cash App transaction history to track your payment schedules and stay on top of your installments. By linking Afterpay with Cash App, you're gaining a powerful tool for budgeting and managing your finances, making it easier than ever to shop smartly and pay in installments. It's that simple.